Hey everybody, how's it going? It's your boy ExtrmWill with Extreme Tech. I just figured I'd take a quick second to talk about the new salad update 1.6.3. I did have some issues with it when I initially downloaded it of getting the degraded GPU memory. Other than like the first 15 seconds of trying to run the new update, I haven't had any issues with it since. Probably got about 10 of my 26 machines are updated right now, and some of them are even getting jobs. So here's one of my 4060s that or not 4060s, one of my 4090s I'd updated. It's doing $5.60 right now. And then here's another one that I'd updated. This is RTX 3060. This one's doing $2.20 right now. It's got the 64 gigabytes of memory. That's why it's breaking the $2 mark. So, I just thought I'd kind of show those two and talk a little bit about it. I know my initial take on the update was I was a little angry because I got a bunch of errors. But I think on one of them I installed the new driver. On the other ones I just said retry. And then when I retried it, they all worked. So, new version though. Looks like it's stable and good. I'm picking up jobs. I've got... No, it's 10 out of... It's at 40% of my machines, about. I think that's right. I think that's 40. 10 out of 25. I should be able to do that better in my head. I don't know why I can't. Yeah, it's about 40% of my machines right now are updated. And they look like they're running good. So I just thought I'd share that real quick. So on that, everything looks good. If you want to see more content on Salad, hit the like button, subscribe, and come on back. See you later. Peace.